Welcome to this tutorial on how to buy VOO in Robinhood. VOO is the Vanguard S&P 500 ETF that tracks the performance of the S&P 500 index, and buying it can be a great way to invest in a diversified portfolio of large-cap U.S. stocks. First, open your Robinhood app or website and log into your account. If you do not have an account yet, you will need to create one by providing some basic information, including your name, email, and social security number. Once you are logged in, locate the search bar and type in VOO. You should see the Vanguard S&P 500 ETF appear in the search results. Next, click on the VOO listing. This will take you to the detailed page for the ETF, where you can see its price, performance history, and other important information. To buy VOO, click on the Buy button. You will need to enter the number of shares you wish to purchase or the dollar amount you want to invest. Make sure to review the details of your order before proceeding. Finally, confirm your order by clicking the Review button, then Submit. You will receive a notification when your order is executed. Congratulations, you have successfully bought VOO in Robinhood. Be sure to monitor your investment and stay informed about market trends. Happy investing!